Hello students, today we are going to learn about standard error of measurement. In last class we already have discussed about standard error of measurement for mean. So today we will discuss the other remaining measurements, that is median, standard deviation, percentage and correlation. Now we will first start with the median. So formula to calculate standard error of median, standard is equal to 1.858 Q, which is the quartile deviation, divided by square root of n. Now in a given question where n is equal to 801, median value is 21.40 and q is 4.90. So when there is a median value, to calculate this deviation of median value we use the quartile deviation. So that's why the value of q is given here. Now putting all the given values in the formula, we will find the standard error of median. So that is 1.858 into the q value 4.90 divided by square root of 801. So it is 9.1042 divided by 28.30 is equal to 0.32. So this is the value of standard error of median for this particular data. So similarly now, like the mean we have done, the finding out the confidence interval, here also we can find out the confidence interval for the given value. So then 95% confidence interval will be median plus minus 1.96 into standard error of median. Will be the median value is for here 21.40 plus minus 1.96 into the standard error of median we have find out here 0.32 equal to 21.40 plus minus 1.96 into 0.32 is 0.6272. 21.40 plus 0.6, can make it rounded off 0.63, and 21.40 minus 0.63. So it will be 21.40 minus 0.63 is 20.77 and it will be 302. So this will be the range for the 95% confidence interval. Similarly, we can find out the confidence interval for 99%. So 99% confidence interval, we will have this value will become 2.58 into standard median plus minus 2.58. This is the fixed value for 99% of area in the MPC curve and into standard error of median. So this will be 2.58. So 2.58 into 0.32 is 0.8256. So we can round it off it to be 0.83. plus minus 0.83. So the range will become by plussing 21.40 plus 0.83 and 21.40 minus 0.83. It will 3, 4, root 2 and it will be 7 then 35 2057. Okay. So this is 22.4 23 22.23. So 22.23 and 20.57. So this will be range at 99% confidence interval. Okay. Now we will go to finding out standard error of measurement for SD. So the formula is standard error of SD is equal to 0.71 sigma divided by square root of n. So this is the formula. So for a given set of value, where the mean is 27.26, SD is equal to 11.20 and n is equal to 225. So by putting all these given value in the formula, we can find out the standard error of SD is equal to 0.71 sigma, that is 11.20 divided by square root of n, it is 225. So this will be 0.71 into 11 square root, so this will become 0.53. The value will come out to be 0.53. So now similarly, for every standard error of measurement, we can calculate the confidence interval. So for here also, we can find the confidence interval at 95% level and 99% level. Confidence interval will be really the SD value plus minus 1.96 standard error of SD, and for 99% confidence interval will be SD plus minus 2.58 into standard error of D. So here SD value is 11.20 plus minus 1.96 into the standard error of deviation value, which we'll find just now is 0.53. So you have to do one time plus and one time minus, so you will get the range. Here again 11.20 plus minus 2.58 into 0.53. So you will get the range. Okay. So the range will be for 99% confidence interval, it will be 9.83 to 12.57. Okay. Similarly here also, by plussing and one time plus and one time minus subtraction, you can find out the range. So this will give us that the estimation about the population parameter, that we estimated that the population standard deviation will be in this range, between this range, okay, with the standard error value of 0.53, which we calculated from the sample mean, sample as the value.